Hi, my learning friends. This is Dr. Deanna, and I have some more two-sound words for you today. Phonemes are the sounds that we hear inside a word. And today we're going to listen to our phonemes and we're going to count them. All right. Our first word is day. I'm going to throw it just like I was throwing a ball. And you are going to catch it just like it comes right through the computer screen. Just pretend. All right. So when I throw the word day, you're going to catch it and say it. Here we go. Day. Did you catch it? Day. All right. Get out your finger counters. Here we are. D-A. Day. Now I'm going to get out my cubes and I'm going to use my boxes here to listen to my phonemes. Remember, my phonemes are the sounds inside the word. So we have D-A. D-A. Day. There are two phonemes inside my word day. But what if I wanted to make it J? If I take one phoneme and put a different one, I have a whole new word. So I still have A here. And now I add a J. J. But what if I want to make it the word May? May. What did I hear at the beginning of my word May? Did I hear that sound? So I'm going to take my J off and I'm going to put an sound. A. May. But what if I want to make it the word ray? Take off the sound and put the sound. A, ray. I changed one phoneme, one sound, and I made a whole new word. Now I'm going to make the word way, as in I am on my way. Okay, here I go. I'm going to take off my sound and I'm going to put a way. I am on my way. Now I have a new trick. What if I want to change this sound in the last box? So I'm going to take off my A and I'm going to add a ooh, just like that. So I still have my w and my ooh, blend it, woo. That's a fun word, but now I want to make it boo. Let's see. I think I need to take off my w and make it a b. Let's take off my w. And now I'm going to make it a b. Ooh. Blend it, boo. But now I want to make it goo, as in something really sticky. So I need to take off my b. And I need to make it a g. Ooh. Blend it, goo. Now, I'm thinking of a sound that a cow makes. So, if I want to make this word moo, I have to take off my g and add a ooh, moo. I changed one phoneme and I made a whole new word. I've had so much fun listening to all my sounds with you today. I'll see you next time when I teach to your superpowers, one child at a time.